Here's the materials we're going to use. Today we're going to use 10 11-inch pearl pink balloons, 10 5-inch white balloons, 2 5-inch yellow balloons, 2 260Q pink balloons, 1 sizer, 1 electric pump, 1 hand pump, pair of scissors. Now we're going to inflate our 11-inch pink balloons to 8 inches, but we're going to overinflate. It makes our balloons pliable. Then what we're going to do is size our balloons to 8 inches. Making sure that the balloon passes through easily. Next, we can take these balloons and tie them together and make duplets. Now that we've inflated 2 sets of duplets, we took our 5th balloon and we inflated it. So what we're going to do is take this balloon and tie it into one of the duplets. Now we're going to do the same inflating, but this time with our 5-inch whites, 5 of those, and we're going to use our hand pump to inflate those. Then we're going to take our 5-inch balloon that we've inflated and size it down to 4 inches. Then we're going to take that 4-inch balloon and we're going to do duplets and like we did with the first. Now that we've inflated everything, what we'd like to do is assemble our duplets. So we're going to take our pink and tie those together. It's going to look like one's on the top, but we're going to make room for that. Now we're going to take our scissors and our 260 and snip that end, that tip off. So there will be no air caught inside of there. We're going to take this 260 and tie it to our triplet. This gives us an attachment. Then we're going to take our duplet and attach this into here. Once again, flattening out the design so it'll be 5 petals. Now we're going to take our attachment and put it on the top of the pink, tying it in with the 260. Finally, what we want to do now is take our 2 5-inch yellows and inflate those to 2.5 inches to make our styling. take our stymie and put it through the center of our balloon. And there we have it, a 5-petal flower.